Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how you can draw on Photopea.com even as a complete beginner without being a talented artist and without having any prior expertise in using photo editing tools such as Photopea.com. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. Obviously, head over to Photopea.com, launch a new project, and let us draw, for example, a smiley on a plain white background like that here. All you need to do, guys, is simply select the brush tool here on the left panel or left hand side. You will find it somewhere here in the middle. There you go, brush tool. You may also use the shortcut B for that. Alternatively, guys, right click on that icon here and select, for instance, the pencil tool or the color replacement tool. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the brush tool. What you want to do after that is select a color from the color box here at the bottom. So let us switch from black to, let's say, red. And after that, it is super intuitive, guys. Simply use your mouse to draw freehand. So let me draw a mouth like that, a nose, and we see a pair of eyes just like that. So you may apply the same trick to any other photo or image you edit on Photopea. So let me head over to that photo here. So let me draw, for instance, let's say a street or a road for that mini car here. Select the brush tool here on the left hand side, select your or choose your color here at the bottom. And yeah, simply use your mouse to draw just like that. So we got a road like that, so a little bit improvised. So that's how we do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.